What's good, Sinkaynation? We back again with another video.
Sound like a dang on record player broken.
Video. Hey!
Back again with another video.
We are back with another video, as you can see by the title of the video.
This will be a mukbang,
a seafood mukbang that we made ourselves. Okay, so yeah, so we're gonna do a mukbang. We're gonna talk.
We should have put some gloves on, but we gonna let it ride. Don't worry.
We're gonna talk about some stuff. We just gonna
talk about life.
Maybe we'll talk about like our next upcoming things that we're gonna be doing and stuff. What else? And we're gonna enjoy this food.
Yeah.
Okay.
Most importantly, because I put this stuff together.
So we're gonna get into this video right now.
We're gonna go ahead and get right into this thing right quick. We're gonna see what it tastes like.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's good.
Sin can't cook. I'm the only soul food cook in here.
Hey, shut your mouth. I'm leaving that part in. And that part. And that part.
So yeah, so we're gonna talk about how y'all doing like with this whole coronavirus.
This coronavirus. There you go.
Oh, thank you. I made some butter. Some butter.
Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and tap this right here and see what this tastes like.
You gonna like that?
We're gonna see what this tastes like.
You gonna like it?
I like that.
You're welcome.
That's good.
I made that.
That's good right there.
I made that.
I like that.
You're welcome.
Dang. I didn't even cough. I got a whole echo up there before you even got it.
Yeah. So babe, what you feel like? How you feeling?
You went down the wrong pipe.
Oh my goodness, Dad, that's disgusting.
Chris don't want to get in the video and talk with us, y'all.
I don't like nobody looking at me while I eat. That's weird.
Y'all gonna watch me. So I'm gonna enjoy your crowd.
Baby, we used to sit there and watch us. I used to watch other people eat.
Yeah, I thought that was weird. But guess what? I'm doing it now. Y'all gonna watch me eat these goddamn on crabs and shrimp and potatoes.
Only we had that voice thing.
The what do you call it? Yeah. Nah, that's extra. Y'all do too much with that.
So yeah, it is supposed to be 4th of July today. We
Don't
ain't
tell
doing
nobody.
Nothing. We ain't doing nothing. We do have a pool, but Sin didn't do what he was supposed to do with the pool.
Technically I did. Let's get that straight. Technically I did. I had to level the pool out and refill this pool. And it's not no small kiddie pool. So yeah. That butter's good though. Yeah, that butter's good. Is it good?
I don't know what's wrong with him. I don't know what's his problem.
I did a good job. That's what's wrong with me. Y'all gonna have to slide on through one of these days.
Cool, babe.
Whoever want to goddamn on
No.
our video,
No.
we're gonna have a big subscriber party.
What?
Hey, right. You see that Apple Watch that's on the couch? Can you put it on the?
They just
come put it on the
talking.
counter?
Yeah,
While we doing a video.
they don't care, y'all.
Whatever.
They don't.
I don't want them to mess
No
it up.
respect, no respect.
No respect at all.
Appreciate it.
But anyway,
Look at look. Look at it. Look at it. I'll dip it in some butter. Oh no.
I can't get it out of here, y'all. Don't mind me. I don't like peeling seafood or food, period. So when it comes down to eating boiled crawfish, I don't peel it. I'll cook it, but I don't peel it. Okay, I'll do that. These are pretty good. You want one? I ain't want to share with you anyway.
I don't trust the cooking, no way.
That ain't what you said when you ate the gumbo.
You made the gumbo? I thought that was cake.
That was both of us.
I made that gumbo.
Exactly.
Y'all better goddamn go and get with the program.
We are.
But yeah. So babe,
Hey,
what,
sit down.
babe, you wanna
Hush.
tell them some new things that we're gonna be doing?
Well, what we doing?
I know we're gonna be doing giveaways.
Yeah, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Make sure you share all our videos. Because if you share our videos, you make it a better opportunity to get to this giveaway as fast as we can. Share these videos, get the subscribers, you get a giveaway gift. But we just gonna go ahead. Oh. Oh.
I don't know what's wrong with him, y'all. He got a mental problem. We're running out of video ideas, you guys. You gotta help
Yeah,
us.
y'all gotta keep running them. And look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Don't flop that around in that sauce shit like that. Flop, flop. Let me show y'all what I'm doing. You got flop, 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 flop. Take it like this, here.
He got mental problems. Kim and Kaden. Y'all, Kaden want to be on the camera. Tell him, hey, Kaden.
Hey. Wait.
What you call him, Kaden?
Huh?
What you call him?
Video. Video. Get up here.
Eat it, bruh. Hey!
Get down. But yeah, y'all.
What's this?
It's too spicy, Kaden. It's spicy. It's
Yeah,
too
you can have some of my
spicy.
juice, Katie.
Spicy.
Alright. But yeah, y'all gotta flop, 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 flop. It's a whole motion right there.
Okay.
The whole motion right there.
So, babe.
How you do that?
Turbo in that drink.
Babe,
What?
what do you most enjoy about YouTube?
I like communicating with the people. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't feel like I'm talking to myself all the time, so that's what I
Y'all
like.
used to tell me, man, Kay, this is hard. I can't talk to myself in the camera.
Yeah, I don't feel like I'm talking to myself no more. You know what I'm saying?
How you feel about doing it in public now?
I don't even care.
Yeah, we about to come up on our year on Tuesday. It's been a year since we started YouTube. Oh, shoot. Your dog gonna eat the crab, baby.
Oh well. She'll see how I'm feeling.
Dog. Oh, she ain't even see. Oh, she see it now.
But yeah, y'all. Hey, I did a good job on these right here.
Don't let him lie to y'all. I helped.
She helped drop the shrimp in the goddamn on water.
No, I cut up the other stuff. For it.
Okay then. Hush.
Are you not gonna ask me no questions?
Huh?
You not gonna ask me no questions?
Yeah, right after this here. Right after this mess. Clock, 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 clock. Well, how y'all eat, y'all? Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and ask you a question.
What?
Ask you a question.
What?
How you feel about going to school and your progress so far?
I feel good. You know, I've been out of school for 4 years. I thought I was gonna like not remember much. But I came out strong. I took 4 classes.
You look money yet?
No. I took 4 classes. Don't ever take 4 classes again.
Not at one time.
Not at one time. Separate them.
Flop,
Cause
flop,
I
flop,
was-
flop, flop, flop.
I was not able to do videos and stuff like that.
Yeah, leaving me all by my lonesome. Doing all this YouTube stuff by myself.
That's why he opened up his own channel, but
And I ain't been active on there. Don't leave me alone. Leave me alone.
nope. He ain't been doing nothing on there.
Only when Ryan tell me to. I'm like, you need to go do the video.
Y'all, these crowds we got it from HEB. And they wasn't that bad. They was on sale.
Bro. So you feel later.
I don't know what's going through him. Through his mind.
I'm gonna be all extra like how y'all be doing, what them other YouTubers be doing on their channels. Especially that lady with the long fingernails. I don't know her name. I seen her before on there though.
Be love.
Yeah, she be like, gotta put your fingers all in there. And go. I be like, lady.
Y'all, he
What's
only
wrong
seen
with
her
you?
one time. He only seen her one time.
I be like, lady, what's wrong with you? Somebody kid about to come up missing y'all.
Okay, don't bully him. Don't say that. Hey, you ask me another question? You ask me another question? Oh! And by the way, last semester I made the Dean's list.
Don't nobody care.
I made all A's and B's. And that was A pluses and B pluses.
Whenever y'all do decide to go back to school, well, can't even say when y'all decide.
Stay in school.
Whenever y'all, well, whenever the government let y'all go back to school. Because of coronavirus.
But let's imagine, how do you feel about these kids going back to school and may have to go online?
I don't feel like you're getting the full life of a kid just doing online school. You're still at home.
You're not
You gotta interact with other
kids, right? And that's why I'm fear for Caden, because I don't think he's gonna go back to school.
Not right now. It'll be a while.
Like he's not gonna have no.
Yeah. Oh! Got it.
Got it, coach.
Got it.
Got it, coach.
Blop, 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 blop. No.
I don't know why he's making these.
No.
You want some of that sauce? Try the sauce, babe. Just try it. Just try it. It's good.
What kind of sauce is it?
Just try it, babe.
It smells like that little hot soy sauce stuff. Not soy, but what is that stuff called? Stuff that you eat with the shrimp all the time. I can't even think of it.
Total sauce? Damn.
Oh, she broke something.
What she did? She dropped the crab on the floor.
She can get that from you.
But just taste it, babe. You need some water? You need some milk? You need milk? You need milk? You need milk? You need some milk?
Why you do that?
Dip, dip,
What
dip,
kind of sauce is
dip,
that?
Dip, dip.
It's my secret sauce. Secret sauce.
Oh, that was hot.
Y'all, let us know in the comments below, how do y'all feel about us collabing with other YouTubers?
Cause we did the one with Mia and Moody. We did one with them. If y'all didn't see that video, go check it out.
We did a prank on them. That was so funny.
Yeah, y'all gotta watch that one. That one funny.
We're gonna collab with them soon again too. You sure y'all want to know, Ryan? You don't like seafood, Ryan?
I like seafood, but I'm a pass. Y'all seem to be enjoying. I had seafood like 2-3 days ago.
You can come get some, Ryan.
This is a different type of flavor right here. I actually did a good job on this one. Better than what I would do on the crawfish.
Come try, Ryan.
I'm okay.
Come on, taste you one.
I'm okay.
Anyway,
Oh shit.
I'm gonna go ahead and finish this here, y'all. We ain't gonna make this video too long. But make sure you go and subscribe to Sinkaynation. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you go and subscribe to our media manager as well. Exclusive TV on YouTube.
Exclusive Mopar on Instagram.
Make sure you follow our Instagrams too.
Sinkaynation.
And ScatDevil_392.
And Sassy K. Oh, Sassy K__K.
K-A-Y, that is.
All will be in the description down below.
And make sure you go and subscribe to The Life of Chrissy.
And make sure you go subscribe to me or Moody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell them we sent you.
Tell them we sent you, yep. And then,
I'm gonna go ahead and finish this though.
most and of all, make sure you comment down below.
You share.
You turn the notification bell on because we are going to be doing
Giveaways.
a giveaway.
So the more subscribers, the more giveaways, the more
We
stuff
might
y'all
just
get.
put on Instagram one day who want this or who want that. You know?
Maybe we'll start a little raffle. You never know.
I don't know. There's Corona going around. Might as well do something fun.
Get y'all a little raffle going, you know. Send y'all something. You know, but it's all
Y'all
good,
want to
though.
do some more videos?
Maybe one of y'all, if y'all local.
Come hang out with us, yep. We can do some collabs.
Y'all almost killed me right there, y'all. Anyway, this is Sinkaynation, and we out.
Peace.